Hi and welcome to the first in a series of tutorial videos showing you how to rebuild and tune a Vespa and LML large frame engine. Step 1 is to remove the rear wheel. In today's video we will take a look at what tools we need to complete this job, a step-by-step guide on how to complete it, and in the end we will do a hardware roundup to make sure that we do not lose any of our precious hardware. To make following the content easier, you can pause this video at any moment. That said, let's take a look at what tools we need. For today's job we will need a ratchet, a M13 socket, as well as a long piece of wood. Here I use a 2x3 piece of lumber. You can also cheat manual labor by using an impact driver. With our tools ready, let's take a look at the step-by-step guide on how to get this job done. Before starting, put that piece of wood underneath the center stand as it gives you more space to work with when taking off the wheel. Start by taking the left side cowl off. We can now see 3 bolts, one at the bottom for the spare wheel cover and 2 on the top to loosen the spare wheel. Loosen all 3. Avoid contact between your tool and the positive of your battery, as you might get shocked. Now remove your spare wheel and put it aside. Now we have better access to the rear wheel. Block the wheel by pushing down on the rear brake and then loosening up the individual bolts. There are 5 in total. You can also use an impact and avoid using the rear brake. Pull the entire wheel off and slide it out backwards. Now we have more access to work on the engine. Before we put away the hardware, let's make sure we have everything. We removed 2 M8 lock washers and nuts from the spare, as well as 5 M8 lock washers and nuts from the actual rear wheel. The bolt in the spare cover is enclosed in the plastic and will not fall out. Thank you for watching. Click here to get to the next video in this series. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you like this, you can support us on Patreon. The link is in the description down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.